Hello, my friends. Today is hamburger day. I'm just kidding. I know the joke never gets old. Well, it kind of does get old, but whatever. It is ketchup day. What does ketchup day mean at the Stamps of Life? It means that we are releasing to our website, sometimes for a limited time, sometimes it'll stay in stock for a little while, but we're releasing items that you might have gotten in the past, like maybe you signed up for a class, or maybe you bought it from Sizzix when I released it 100 years ago, or maybe it was from a kit club that you weren't in at the time, that kind of stuff. So those extra items finally get to be put on our website. Usually, and just to give you an example, this one was released 40 years ago, so we're finally releasing it to the website. So some items just take a while to get onto the website, but we wanted to offer it to you because we have a lot of new customers and we want to make sure you have an option to get it. Well, first things first, this one could be very limited. So I need to warn you now, it is called the Berry Chunky, which is really funny, but it was in our Berry Boho kit, Berry Chunky glitter cardstock. Now, this stuff is large and in charge. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Like, I just like want to, I wish I could wallpaper my room with this. This is so amazing. Look how gorgeous how it changes the color. Limited time, get it quickly, okay? Now, remember when we released our cute little puffins and oh, they're so cute. Look how cute they are. Here's a sample how cute they are. We absolutely love all our puffins, right? And we came out with an iceberg for them. But what if they wanted to live in an igloo? So yes, many years ago, we had a class called Arctic Animals, and we had an igloo. And a lot of you, like I said, are new to Stamps of Life, and you didn't get a chance to get that class. Well, now we're offering the dies and the stamps from that class. So now you can get the igloo. You can also get the stamps and the dies for the animals. So again, if you took this class, do not order this because you already have it. But you might have missed out on that class because it was so many years ago. So we've reordered the dies and the stamps so you can get them now because, hello, they go perfect with the puffins. Just saying. Okay, moving on. Another item that you might have missed because it was a class, we've purchased more so we can offer it singly, not as a class, but singly. This is Moose Mountain. And look at how fun those stamps are. We, of course, also have the dies that match. So those are an option also. Now, see, I have a lot to catch up on, right? Last but not least, if you were in our card kit club in October of 2021, you have this, but you might not. And these little critters, or snowmen, coordinate with our bigger snowmen. So I wanted to make sure I brought these to you. Now, this is going to be shipped together. So it's one item, the dies and the stamps that match. That's going to be shipped as one item. So you can now pick up on those cute little snowmen because they're oh so cute. Okay. So go check out our website, stampsoflife.com. You might have missed out on some of these items. Get them now. Sometimes they're limited. Like for example, we will not be reordering the snowmen and the small dies for sure. The berry glitter chunky cards, the berry glitter cardstock. It's so chunky. We might not be able to get any more of that. So make sure you stock up on those. Okay. Thank you so much. And I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.